Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix voice recording problem on your Windows 11 system. So in the first step, go to search bar and type troubleshoot settings. Then click here to open it. Once you are here, click on other troubleshooters. Just scroll down and search for recording audio and simply click on run. It will try to detect the problem and to try to resolve it. Once done, close this window. And on the left side, select privacy and security. Scroll down, select microphone, and we need to turn on the microphone access. Also turn on the voice recorder access. Once done, go back to privacy and security. Click on settings and select sound. Just scroll down, and from the input we need to click on microphone and select audio as don't allow and change the format and set the input volume as to 100. We need to try to test your microphone, so simply click here to test your microphone. Once done, go back to sound and simply scroll down, select volume mixer, and from the input device set the right microphone. Once done, close this window and let's move to the next step. This will be the very important step. So go to run and simply type here msys.cpl and hit enter. This will open a new window that is sound. Select recording tab, then right click on it and select enable. We need to enable the microphone, and once done, click on OK. Go to search bar, type here services and click here to open it. Now on this window we need to search for the Windows audio services. Simply restart this service and again restart the second one, the Windows audio endpoint builder. Once done, close this window. Now go to device manager. On this window, expand sound, video and game controller and simply update the drivers. Once done, simply restart your system and your problem will be solved.